Hey everyone, before we get started, just a quick promo that we're doing for the rest of the week here. We've begun doing some live trading classes about 3 to 4 times a week, and we've got a special going on where it's about a $200 discount off the normal cost of the course. Now, in addition to that, this week and this week only, we will double the amount of time in the trading room for anybody who jumps in the course this week. So essentially, for $897 rather than 2 months, you'll get 4 months. All right. If you're interested in that, just grab it, and we'll see you there. All right. So jumping into the markets here, I've been watching Apple. It's probably been one of the more talked about stocks in the last couple of weeks here as it's approaching. And you can see I drew these two channels here because that's essentially what we've been doing since about mid-June. We've moved up, but we've kind of been chopping along here. You know, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, retesting, and now near the top of that channel. This horizontal line that you're seeing right here represents essentially a retest of the all-time highs from a couple years back, and you can see it is retesting that. Now we are about a week and change off from the end of the month, so a lot can happen in this time. Remember, one of the things I talk about often is it's not how a month starts, but it's always how it ends. And the next week and a half will tell us, will be suggestive. If we start to see some pullback here, let's say even a $10 drop from where we are, again, that could bring some negative pressure as we go into September. Now, there's a lot of hype behind the company, so we'll see what happens. Overall, I still stand by my thought process that if we break above here, which I think there's a strong likelihood of happening, my expectation is a move to the 127, which is around 125. It has not happened yet, so I wouldn't, if you're not a long and you want to be and you're waiting for that break and close to happen, wait for the break and close to happen. Until that happens, don't do anything. I would really just caution you to wait because you never know. We could pull back first and then continue. You never know. All right. As far as the S&P 500 is concerned, it looks like I might be wrong on this trade. I took a short a couple days ago based on a retracement back up into this level. You can see it's retested the all time. It's retested the most recent highs that we've seen in several years. So a breakthrough here, and we're going to keep going. So if it breaks through here, I will reverse and I will close out my position and then look to get long. My expectation on where this will go, if it breaks through, is I'm going to take the most recent swing low to the most recent high right there before, and you can see we're retesting that. And just like we were looking at with Apple, 127 extension. So if it breaks above this high, which is around 190 and change, I'm sorry, 199, I think. I'm looking for a move to 203. That's on the SPY. You can do this, of course, on the futures, and you can do this with other markets. What I will probably do, which I'll talk about Friday in our trading room, is probably play call options on this for next month. So that could be an interesting trade from there. Otherwise, that's really the two that I wanted to cover tonight. Otherwise, we'll see you guys next time, and take care.